Hey, it's Logan. I thought it would be fun to do a little comparison video. You know I love the mini brands and the MiniVerse. So I thought we could take a look at the Mini Brands Create Garden and the MiniVerse Make It Mini Nature. Thought those two were pretty similar. So I thought we could open them both up and see the differences. All right, let's start with this one. Let's go with the Mini Brands Garden first. Let's see. I haven't opened any of this series of either one. So this will be interesting. I wonder if they're going to be completely different. Well, considering they're both like Nature Garden, they have to be a little similar, I would assume. So, got two packages. We got some handy dandy is this the resin? The glue. It's the resin, the UV glue. And we have our little guide here. Oh, so you can get flowers, plants, cute bonsai tree. That's an ultra rare. And little instructions. All right, let's see what we can get here. I'm excited. Let's do this one. Looks like a pot, so I'm wondering if it's that there on the back. See what it comes with. Yes, I guess this is gonna be this one here. So we have a little pot with our little dirt. This one should not be too complicated for me to put together. Let's push the dirt in there. And then we're going to add our plants. Ta-da! We have a cute little plant. All right, the succulent surprise. Nice. It's nice and simple to put together. That was all of that one. Now let's see what is in our second one. Woo! All right. Oh, yes. Uh-oh, I dropped a flower. Oh, nice. All right, so this one is going to be our flower. So it's going to be neat. So first step is to take our tree, or not our tree, our leaves, and put the little flowers in place. So, oh, wait a minute. We got to put the stem in here, or leaves. Do we do that twice? Yeah, we'll do this one on there as well. Ooh. Cute. Okay. And then it has the little places to put the rest of the stems. So we can just put that in the little holder in the vase. Cute. I like that. It'll look good next to our plant. And then now we have to add our little flowers. And they go on, I think it's, yeah, see it's a little cross. So they're gonna go on those. It goes, I think. Or should it go? Wait a minute. Oh, it's these little hand thingies. They look like little hands. Yeah. There we go. Ta-da. Cute. And we'll just add our little flowers in there. They're not hard, easy to get on there though. There. There's like 5 on these. Jeez. Push them in there. There we go. All right, I'm going to work on putting, because there's 3 of these to put on, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, that was a little tedious, but we got the little flowers on, all of them. And then we're going to put them in our little plant here. Well, I guess we should, whoops, have it going out that way. That would make a little bit more sense. We'll put this one in there. Oops, I dropped one. One fell out. Oopsie, that's okay. So it just pops back in. Kind of. There, perfect. And then we got one more. Boop. All right. There she is. Gorgeous. All right. Now, get it placed where we want it. Make sure it's in the bottom good. Get our little leaves here going over. Then it comes with a cute little ladybug, if you can see it. If you can see it. It's tiny. Tiny little ladybug. It's cute though. That we can use our resin there to put on a leaf. See him? So cute. So cute. But first, well, I guess we can do a drop of that first. Open that up. Okay. Let's see if it's going to be clear or kind of watercolored. I don't know. So we'll just do a little drop here for the ladybug. I'm sure there'll be extra if he, ooh, that was a lot. Let's pop him in there. Aw, super cute. All right, now we're gonna fill her up. I'm just gonna, there we go. Go down. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's kind of just stuck right there. Well, let's see. Put it on the other side. I wanted it to just go to the bottom. But I don't know. There we go. Push it down there. That works. Cute. Get a little water. We'll put a little bit more on this side. I think we're almost out. Ooh. Yeah. That's good. cute. Gosh, our water in our vase. Or, oh, crap. Yeah, that looks good. Cute. Then we have our little succulents, our little flowers. So that was the Mini Brands garden. So we'll put that there. Next up is we're going to check out this MiniVerse Nature. Looks kind of similar, has some garden vibes in there. So let's open it up and see what we can find in this one. There's our opening. Do you all prefer one over the other, the Mini Brands or the MiniVerse? Oh, cute. It looks like a little barrel. That's cute. Oh, well, this is cute because the packaging is adorable for sure. Oops, and I dropped my flowers. All right. That's cute. I really like that. Oh, look, it's wrapped in paper. Okay, MiniVerse outdid themselves with the packaging for sure. Oh my gosh. Oh, little garden sticks, cilantro, and lavender. Oh, so cute. What else we got? Oh, this looks like, feels like a garden tool. I love the box. I almost want to keep the flowers wrapped up because that's really cute. Oh, guess we're planting because we have our dirt. Oh, it's a herb mix. I'm sorry. It's not dirt. All right. Well, let's open the box first and then we'll see what the heck we're making. Oh my gosh, that's cute. OMG, look at that. They're little cans. Quality produce from Happy Sun Farms and Georgia's finest peaches. Cute. That's cute. Very cute. All right. So, then we got our little tool, I'm assuming. Oops. Oh, there's our shovel. And this thing. Nope, there's more. Oh, this goes to something. We'll figure that one out in a minute. All right. Let's look at this guide. Oh, so cute. So there's like, okay, so this is the one I guess we're going to make here with the flowers. No, that's not it. We got this one over here. What does the flowers go with? Is it just extra? I don't know. No, that goes actually, that's what we're planting. Duh, that's not flowers. That is actually basil and rosemary. No, cilantro and lavender. I'm going to get it right. This one. So we're going to make this one. Cute. But they have a lot of different ones. They have the lettuce. That's cute. Oh, strawberry plant. Oh, look at the tomatoes and the vine. Okay, this one's really cute. All right, so let's make our little herb garden here. So we got the lavender one. So it's this one here. So the first thing we got to do is put our dirt in our adorable cans. Ooh. Let's see. We'll cut this open here. maybe. There we go. All right, we got our little herb mix. It's clumpy. And kind of hard to get out. It's okay, we can use our shovel. Yes. I don't know why I'm acting like I'm afraid to make a mess here. I don't think it'll be that hard to clean up. There's a lot in there. It does actually kind of feel like dirt, like foamy dirt. It's fun. Probably be easier if you opened it all the way. Just saying. But to make it harder on myself, I guess. Which is fine. It's all fine. I'm really liking this one because it's like, it feels like you're playing with like actual dirt and you're actually planting something, which is really cool. All right, so we got our little dirt and our little cans, whatever you want to call them. Put a little bit more in because I want you to see it. Oop. Goodness. Okay. Lord have mercy. All right, that's fine. That is totally fine. That's fun. Satisfying. We can add more later. All right, enough of that. So next, we got to plant our herbs. Pull them out, cute. Comes with their little roots. Cuteness. So we'll just stick them in there. And then we'll add a little bit more dirt on the top of it to secure it. We're just going to open this more because it's annoying me. There we go. I like that it kind of strings together because it's easier to grab. And we could just plant our little herbs. Yeah, that was much easier. I should have done that at the beginning, but you know. You live and learn, guys. You live and learn. We'll push that in there. And boop. Oh. Fun. Cute. That's nice. We can spread them out a little bit. All right, perfect. Nice. So we got that. And then we're going to do our stakes. And then we'll add that so we know what we planted there. We got our cilantro. What else? Oh, that was the dirt. And then our lavender here. Ooh. Cute. Oops, this wants to keep falling over. That's adorable. That is adorbs. Isn't that so cute? With a little dirt in there. Okay. Okay. Not quite sure what this is for. Probably something. See if I can find out real quick. We do have instructions for a reason. I can't find the one I'm looking for. Oh well. I don't know what that one's for, but it's really cute. I like it a lot. All right, so this was the MiniVerse. So we had 2 in the mini brands, and then we got this fun thing in the MiniVerse. So the mini brands is cute. It's adorable. You have the cute little ladybug in your realistic water, and that was fun. And you had to put all those on. But this one with the actual having to plant it with the little dirt to plant it in and the packaging, this one was really cute. So that was the difference between the mini brands and MiniVerse's Nature and Garden. I think they both turned out really cute. They were really fun to make. So if you have an opinion, which one do you all think was the better one? All right. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.